Welcome back to Pop-Pop's Horsepower Shop. I'm Jeff. Today's going to be a quick little video. As you can see on the 305, we got a little progress going. Got some spark plug wires on, and you can see they are just kind of in a mess and all over the place. What we're going to do today is just by using some just plain old cheap Walmart zip ties, we're going to make a wire separator for these spark plug wires and try to get them out of the way of the headers a little bit. Some people call them a wire loom, wire separator, but stay tuned for that and we'll see if we can get this put together. So what I got, just some 8-inch black cable ties. And the plan is we're going to try to keep the spark plug boots away from the headers. Now I do have heat guards to put over these spark plug boots as well, but we're going to try to keep these two together, and sort of try to make it somewhat neat. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to fasten these. Maybe up here on the valve cover, put some kind of fastener. I really won't know until we get this back in the truck exactly, but I know I definitely can clean this up a little bit. Try to get all these run up here, something along like that, and that should look pretty nice. Easiest way to know how to do it, depending on how many wires you have, is how many zip ties you're going to need. For 2 spark plug wires, all you need is 2 zip ties. For 4, you'll need 4 zip ties. So we'll grab our zip ties here. And basically, just make sure that when you do them, everything's pointed in the same direction on both sides, make it look nice. So we'll put one around the tube, but we're going to leave this one loose. So we'll put that there. And then the second one, we put in the middle and go around the zip tie that's around both of those. Put it in this way. All right, go ahead and snug that one down. That way it keeps a nice little gap between the spark plug wires. Just like that. That keeps them nice and solid. Do the same thing on these two. Let me see if I got you in camera here on that one. Yeah, you can still see. Grab 2 more zip ties. Kind of position these where we sort of want them. You got to try to keep it out of the way of the, maybe on that side of the breather will work on this one. So put that loosely. So these are both pointed the same direction, so it looks even. Makes it look like we tried, at least, anyway. Snug this one down a little bit. Kind of get this to where we think we want it to sit. It just sure seems like it wants to go that way. So we're going to put it sort of where it wants to fall. Snug that down. Snug this one down. And next we are going to do the 4. So we're going to grab 4 zip ties. And we're going to try to keep these spark plugs wires in some kind of orderly fashion. I don't know exactly how I'm going to fasten back to the engine yet. Won't know that till we get it in the truck. Let me make sure you can still see what we got going on over here. Let's move it this way a little bit. And we'll get this last one in here. Line all these up. Snug them down. Now, if you have a pair of flush cut, these are actually little electronics pliers that cuts them off nice and smooth. Doesn't leave a sharp edge. I think I got these from Temu, but I'm sure Amazon has them. And there you have it. It kind of fixes that up pretty nice. And hopefully soon we'll be getting ready to stick this in the truck. Thanks for watching.